Hindi niya sinabing, I am the greatest. Sinabi niya, I must be the greatest. And he said this because on the night of February 25, 1964, this guy defeated Sonny Liston. And the man who uttered those words was Cassius Marcellus Clay. Cassius Marcellus Clay Jr. Binago niya yung pangalan niya nung lumipat siya ng relihiyon, naging Muslim. Kaya yung pangalan na niya ay Muhammad Ali. He converted to Islam in 1975. And after defeating Sonny Liston, the press started calling him Ali, the greatest. Then after his match with Joe Frazier here, on the 1st of October 1975, in what was to be known as the Thrilla in Manila, Muhammad Ali, who won that match, cited Joe Frazier as the greatest fighter of all times, next to me. Paano si Floyd Mayweather Jr.? Paano yung ating pambansang kamao na si Manny Pacquiao? Are they great? Are they greater? Are they the greatest? So how do we define greatness? Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng kadakilaan, katanyagan, kalakhan, kabantugan? No? That word great or greatness can be predicated on, can be attributed to objects. The Great Wall of China, great. Or any great work of art. That word great or greatness can also be predicated of or attributed to events. Yung nilindol yung aming lalawigan, 2013, October 2013, sabi namin, yung lindol na iyon, the Great Bohol Earthquake, sabi namin. Yung ikalawang pandaigdigang digmaan, the Great War of 1941-1945. The word great or greatness can also be attributed to or predicated of persons. Maraming halimbawa. After his funeral in 2005, Pope John Paul II was called the Great. No? The Great. Yung ating mga pambansang bayani, di po ba, dakila rin sila. No? Our heroes are great nationalists. Sa larangan ng ating relihiyon, ating pananampalataya, maraming the Great. The Dominican Saint Albert the Great, or Pope Saint Leo I the Great, no? Or Pope Saint Gregory the Great, or the first apostle who was martyred, whose feast we celebrate today, Saint James the Great. No? Maraming the Great. Sa larangan ng paligsahan, sino nga ba ang the Great? May term na ginagamit, GOAT, G-O-A-T. Ibig sabihin, greatest of all time. Sa basketball, sino sa dalawa? Si LeBron James ba o si Michael Jordan? Sa tennis, sino nga ba? Si Djokovic ba? Si Federer ba? O si Nadal? So, as in sports, as also in politics and economics. No? So great can be attributed to many things, to a nation. Philippines, the Great, sabihin natin. And then there was, or there would be, probably, MAGA, Make America Great Again. So we hear of many things about greatness. Mas mismo si Jesus, sabi niya kay Juan Bautista, no one born of women is greater than John. And Mary herself would sing in her Magnificat, "My soul proclaims the greatness of the Lord." So greatness is an attribute. It is manifested by individuals who exercise certain qualities of character, and by their worthy achievements, they significantly impact society or the world. So one is great because he or she has more money than anyone else. One is great because she or he has greater influence than anyone else. Or he or she has higher intelligence than anyone else. Against anyone else, the person is great because he has higher degree, better qualities, or of a higher importance. No one claims greatness for himself. No? Because greatness is not synonymous to success. Success is earned. It is like respect. And like respect, greatness is also bestowed. No? Iginagawad. No? Ipinagkaloob ang kadakilaan. No? It is something that is bestowed by another. Reverence is also bestowed. No one calls himself, "I am reverend," or "reverend," or "I am great." Diba? May nag-viral nga dahil isinalarawan niya yung sarili niya, "I am greater than you are." Ito yung accomplishments mo. Eh, sino nga ba yung taong nakatayo ng 2 oras na parang pinahiya pa siya? Di ba? Success is earned, greatness is bestowed. And our Lord defines greatness differently. And that is why in today's gospel, He explains to His apostles who were arguing among themselves. They were indignant at the 2 brothers, James and John, sons of Zebedee. Lumapit yung nanay nila. "Panginoon, pwede po bang pauupuin sa kanan at kaliwa sa kaharian mo yung 2 mga anak ko?" And so the 10 other apostles were so indignant. Hindi pwede yun. Hindi lang silang 2, kami rin, no? So for our Lord, He defines greatness differently. If anyone, sabi niya, wishes to be first, he shall be the last of all and the servant of all. If anyone wishes to be great among you, that person shall be a servant. So this is how our Lord measures greatness, service. Paglilingkod, yun po ay ang sukat ni Jesus ng kabantugan, yun ang sukat niya ng katanyagan. How did Jesus teach greatness to His apostles, to His first ministers, to the first ministers of the church? He showed them how greatness is, or what greatness is, by an example. How to serve. And on the night of His betrayal, our Lord knelt down. Lumuhod siya to wash His disciples' feet. And after He did so, our Lord told them, "If I then, Lord and Master, have washed your feet, you should wash each other's feet. I have given you an example so that you may copy what I have done to you." Lumuhod si Jesus upang mahugasan niya ang mga paa ng kaniyang mga apostol. So what is Jesus telling us in all this? Those who are in positions of power and authority do not expect to be seated to serve. Do not expect to be seated, because those who are in authority, those who are in possession of power, we expect you to kneel. Luhod kayo. How can you wash the feet of others if you do not kneel? So, political leadership or any kind of shepherding in the community, be it religious, be it social, political, is not lording or overlording, but serving. So, kneel. Do not sit behind your table or desk if you want to serve. So what were the apostles fighting over? They were fighting over chairs, upuan, salumpuit. Saan ako pupwesto? Saan ako uupo? Dapat malapit sa Panginoon. So Jesus said, in effect, if you want to serve, do not sit. You had better kneel. Maganda yung pagkakasabi ni Santa Teresa ng Lisieux. And so we common mortals should be heartened by what she said. Saint Teresa of Lisieux said, the value of life does not depend on the place we occupy. It depends on the way we occupy that place.